Man, I can't believe I got fired from SafeLink Wireless. Now I will work at Ikea. Welcome to Ikea. How can I help you?
I would like to get one of your appliances in the back, please.
I'm sorry, but you got featured way too much in people's Go animate videos. So I unfortunately cannot help you. Sorry.
You're very lucky that I'm not about to kick your butt for what you just said. I will just calm down and just go to Sears.
Welcome to Ikea. How can I help you?
My washer and dryer at our house is broken. And I really need to wash me and my girlfriend's clothes. So can I buy a new washer and dryer in your appliances, please?
I'm sorry, but our appliances are out of order.
Don't lie to me. I can see new and improved dishwashers over there along with what I need.
That is just something else.
Fine. I will just go to Sears along with my friend Julian and Andrea. You are rude.
Welcome to Ikea. How can I help you?
I would like some towels.
What are the odds? It was built by the bathroom.
Okay. That is just gross. I will just go to Walmart.
Boris. How dare you be rude to the customers and told one customer that the towels she was looking for was in the bathroom. You know I would have to catch her and call the police on her if you tried to have her steal all of the towels out of the bathroom. That's it. You're fired. You are also banned from Ikea forever. Now go home right now before I call the police.
Good. I don't like this place anyways. Hey guys. I would like to thank you all for enjoying my Boris the Hire series for 7 months. I really appreciated you guys requested the ideas for the series. Ha. Just kidding. I am going to continue the series in business friendly since the legacy video maker retires tomorrow. And I will have to find out other ideas for the plan in the meantime. So stay tuned. But anyways. This is me Elias D signing off.